Today, I want to explore the unique gifts bestowed upon us by a higher power. Some of us has already uncovered these gifts, while others are still on a journey to discover them. What exactly is a gift? It's a special talent or ability that feels effortless when you practice it. With minimal effort, it can leave people in awe. These gifts have the potential to shape our life significantly, allowing us to become someone important in the world. They can range from singing, dancing, and cooking to motivating, empowering, decorating, and more. Some of us may even possess multiple gifts. Start by observing your children and supporting them in discovering their gifts. This discovery can pave the way for building a meaningful career and achieving personal fulfillment. In today's world, guiding our children to uncover their gifts and nurture them is more important than ever. So, I invite you to reflect: what is your gift and how are you leveraging it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your voice could inspire someone else to recognize and harness their own gifts, leading them to become a better version of themselves.